This is like my last time in this place, in this space. I'm just waiting for them to come and do a walkthrough. Oh my God, it's so echoey. Every time when you move to another space or place, it is a little bit of a, you know, like an end of an era, or you just feel, you know, kind of sad. But, you know, this is the longest place I lived ever. So that must say something about this place. So it was really good. The neighborhood is good. Of course, you're gonna have some people that are, you know, not the friendly neighbors, but majority is. I guess nowadays you the one have to be the one to say good morning, hello, you know. But my neighbor next door now, she's very nice. I really appreciate that. She even made me dinner the first night. That was really, really nice. That was really nice of her. And her kids are like well behaved as well, so that's nice too. So they're really friendly, the neighbor. Yeah. And then it's just hot right now. I'm sweating. But anywho, I've been vlogging my day. My foot hurts already. So this is what happened. That is what happened. Oh, my shoe. It is so swollen. It is so swollen on this side. Right here and here. And then when I went to go get my medicine yesterday, standing, it was kind of sore, but I'm gonna have to get my boot and probably use that for work again. I don't know why, but when you have the air cast, the boot, it stabilizes your foot, so it's not as sore. I think I was wearing the wrong shoe yesterday or the other day. So this is what I'm using today. It stabilizes kind of my foot, but it still hurts it because it's trying to align it correctly. So if you have flat feet and you got these, I would suggest these. My my foot doctor, she was like, don't even waste your money on those inserts that the doctors want to make for you for $1,000, $500. She said, don't waste your money on that, you know. So the best thing is to get proper footwear to start. Why would you want to spend $1,000? Just buy good shoes, buy inserts, you know what I mean? That's why she never did make any insert for me, because she said it's just a waste of money. So every doctor has a different perspective of it. So I appreciated that, because I didn't have the money to spend for a foot insert. I'm okay without it. Just gotta buy better shoes. Don't buy, if you have flat feet, when you're young, it's okay. But when you get older, things catch up with you. You know what I mean? Everything catches up with you. But yeah, so the main thing for me is to wear the proper boots, the proper inserts, and stuff like that. And just not wear any kind of Mickey Mouse shoe, you know? Gotta be really good old people shoe. Nah. But anywho, yeah, that's what happened the other day. I want to say Sunday. And then I donated the crutches already. That would have kind of helped me. But I think it's so humbug to use crutches, man. Ooh, it's humbug. So I think the Aircast is the best bet, but Keanu has it, so I gotta go grab it. Anywho, yeah, so just waiting for my walk out. All right, everyone. So I got hanged my first painting and my cross. My friend Jessica from intermediate, she came and she helped me put away a lot of the kitchen stuff. Thank you, Jess. Yeah, so she did a lot of boxes. Yeah, and almost there, but the bedroom is a mess. The bedroom is a mess, but still got a lot to do. Oh, it's so hot. But look at my little painting. I gotta put my clock up too. Cute, yeah. Found an apartment already? Lisa Sunshine's good morning. So today is Wednesday and I'm trying to change of address. So if you guys are gonna do the change of address online, just go down to the post office, because I just tried to do it online. I had to pay $10, and I still have to go to the post office to verify it. So I didn't, think about that. So I still have to go down to the post office. So if you're going to change your address, don't do it online. Just go ahead and go down to the post office. So that's all the stuff I still have to do, and change all my address on my bank and stuff like that. So that's kind of, yeah, but it's not like I'm going to move again for a long time. So it's okay. Alrighty, gang. So I'm just going to close this video out. What else? Change your electricity, change your internet or cable. So today is waiting for the cable guy. The internet, I don't get cable, I just get internet. And there's probably other things that you have to do. When you move, you have to make sure you have the deposit as well as the first month's rent, okay? Because when they close out the other house, that's when you'll get your deposit back. So you would have to probably get a down, the deposit and first month's rent. And then your other deposit will come to you after. Yeah, so there's a lot of things you have to do when you move. So I don't know what else at this moment that I have to do right now. So I did do like change of address with my banks, credit cards, all that stuff. Yeah, so there's a lot more that I probably will have to do. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and you guys all have a great day.